Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to know that there is no any built-in function to sign out from Messenger directly. So you guys can do in two methods. So the first method is you guys can uninstall the application and reinstall the application. In this way, you guys can easily log out with Messenger app, or you guys can clear the data or cache of the application and you guys can log out from the Messenger directly. So according to first method, you guys have to just simply tap on the application and click on uninstall, and in this way you guys have to just go back to Play Store and you guys have to just simply reinstall it and your account will be signed out or log out. So if you want to know the second method, is you guys have to simply open up Facebook app on your mobile phone. So after opening a Facebook app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to just simply tap on the top right corner of your profile icon. Here you guys have to just simply scroll down and here you guys have to just simply click on settings and privacy. So after tapping on settings and privacy, here you guys have to just tap on settings. Here you guys have to just tap on see more in account center and tap on password and security, and here tap on where you are logged in. So after tapping on where you are logged in, you guys have to just simply select the Facebook. Here you guys have to just simply just tap on select devices with logout, and you guys can tap on select all, and you guys have to just simply tap on logout, and in this way you guys can log out of Messenger on all device. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.